Welcome to this tutorial where we are going to show you how to make a quick short video using an AI model without the need of any software. We are going to using offeo.com. You can find the link in the description. Choose to upload a picture which will be the base of our video. When it's uploaded to the site it will give you a lot of videos with examples. Choose which design you like the most. As you can see there is a whole page to choose from. Now we are going to choose the one on the right. Just click on it and it start loading that project. Now on the left side we can start with adding a header if you like of add some pictures. We are going to change the animation of the images and text, so click on a text and then on animations. Here you can select the behavior of the image and text. You can add some graphics from the library or add text. It's pretty easy in use. When you hover over the buttons in the animation menu you can see what effect it has on that text or picture. There are many possibilities for creating AI videos with offeo.com. AI videos can be used for a variety of purposes, including marketing, education, and entertainment. It offers a range of features, such as the ability to create personalized AI characters and AI-driven video editing tools. AI-generated video content can be used to create interactive video experiences. AI-generated videos can also be used to promote products, increase customer engagement, and provide an improved customer experience. Additionally, AI videos can be used to analyze customer behavior and provide valuable insights into customer preferences and buying habits. Offeo gives you access to premium Shutterstock images and over 3,000 designer templates. Professionally created designs for different occasions and marketing campaigns. Select a design and customize it easily. You can also add music to your clip. Choose from over 5,000 plus curated soundtracks with more than 30 different themes. Or you can upload your own font to create your own flair. So now that we are done editing our clip we can just click on the download button in the top right and save it as an MP4 file in the best quality. If you like this video leave me a message and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.